Friends, do we engage in small talks? Yes. When we meet somebody, what do we say? Coffee aita, coffee acha, tiffin acha. Well, welcome to my channel, Positivity with Geeta Iyengar. We are going to discuss this small talk, which is not really small. It's very, very important to make ourselves better human beings. So, what is the small talk? So, when you go for a walk, you don't know anybody, but usually we greet each other. Good morning. If you are in another country, in India, we don't say good morning unless with all the people I meet. First thing they will say, how are you? Coffee आयता, टी आयता, टिफ़िन आचा, और क्या है, खाना वाना हो गया, सब ठीक है, कैसे, बहुत दिन से नहीं मिले, नहीं आपसे, अभी तो मिले होंगे, लेकिन just to start a conversation, we have to break the ice. So this is how we start. Or best thing is weather. Have you seen in a gathering when we meet people, कोई पार्टी होता है, बर्थडे पार्टी, और आप जानते भी नहीं उन लोगों को, कई बार आपको जाना पसंद नहीं लगता, आपसे क्या मैं जाके करूँगी, आई डोंट इवन नो एनीबडी, लेकिन अब बैठ गए, अब क्या करेंगे, तो व्हेन यू सिट देयर देन यू से हेलो, हाउ आर यू, ब्यूटिफुल साड़ी, और आई हैवंट सीन यू फॉर लॉन्ग, यू वर नॉट हियर, when did you come back from US, and so on, just to start a conversation. I say, my God, the weather. And nowadays, of course, Bangalore traffic. I'm from Bangalore now, so I'll see people telling, "Baap re, what traffic!" Then once somebody says, "I know, by if you come by auto, you don't get auto." So all these common conversations, which usually we don't talk at home, but to start a conversation, we engage in these things, and it looks very funny. You say, "Dekho, maine kaise baat kiya?" Because that's not you. But usually we do that. We start a conversation. Or before a meeting, after a meeting. I remember when we go for any gathering and there's going to be a serious presentation. Before that, when you meet your known friends also, saying, "Oh, hello, how are you? You're looking very good. How nice, this, that." And so, "What were you doing? When are you going to meet?" And they say, "Yes, come on, now the meeting is starting." So you crave for these small talks. And there's nothing wrong in that. These small talks help you because these are called casual conversation. You don't even think about it. You just want to talk because you feel good, because basically we are all very social. So just like that, when you call even many times on the phone, अब कई बार फ़ोन करके बोलते मैंने ऐसे ही फ़ोन किया. Sometimes some people will say, ऐसे ही क्यों किया, कुछ तो होना चाहिए ना, बट ऐसे ही बहुत कुछ होता है. Just ऐसे ही conversation, just like that, lot of things happen. It's just normal conversation. When I go on the road and I meet somebody when I'm walking, I look at them and I feel if they are smiling, I smile. If they don't smile also, I'll smile. And they say, "Hello, how are you? Where do you stay? What do you do?" And it's fine. And suddenly you say, "Yeah, I had to do this. I wanted to get this certificate, or I don't know how to go to this office and collect." And you won't believe, sometimes out of just accidentally somebody will give you information, and that will be very useful. You would never have thought about it. They will guide you. They'll say, "Go to this office, go there and get it done." And that's how you become friends. But that's all. You don't cross that border. And this is very essential. Small talk is very essential for our proper growth, for our proper progress in all our activities. You see, in your office, workplace, you cannot say all the time, "All work, no play makes Jack a dull boy." What it means, कि office में काम करते वक्त you will find they're all working, but suddenly there's a break. They talk, say, आज क्या खाने में लाए हो, अरे इतना आवाज़ आ रहा है तुम्हारे टिफ़िन इसमें, अरे क्या, is something very silly, something very casual, but then that gives you a kind of a relief. It's a recess, it's a break. We all need casual conversation, or what is called a small talk, gives us a lot of breaks, and we need that break to do a serious job. When you are cooking also, you want to listen to music. Or sometimes say, "अरे some casual, पता है कल क्या हुआ? My God, see the rain." Sometimes we talk about weather. अब अरे बहुत बारिश है. Everybody knows that it is raining. Everybody knows that there is traffic jam, but still we discuss that because these are all casual conversation which gives us lot of relief, And that relief is very, very natural. It is very spontaneous. And many times I have seen in other countries when they take their dog, when you feel odd to talk to them, you say, wow, lovely dog, what breed, what is his name, hello, how are you, and that's how you start your conversation. And that's how you get to know each other. You don't have to know people very intimately, because you should know this far, no further. You should know, you should not cross the boundary. We will discuss that part sometime later, what leads to gossip, because gossip is also a kind of a small talk, but that gossip, when it goes above one level, it becomes very dangerous. So we are talking about small talk, we're talking about casual conversation, which is very essential for us. That's why they say you have to meet people. You don't have to plan. It's not always or professional, it's not always business. Sometimes you have to talk to people just to feel good. Sometimes you just pick up a phone and call somebody, and whatever you feel like, you talk. Maybe about your shopping, maybe about your headache, maybe about somebody who came and how he or she was a nuisance. Anything crap you can talk and get away with it, because you're not hurting anybody. And that is very important. I'm not saying it comes naturally. You don't even plan, okay, today I'm going to do casual talk. No, casual talk is very casual. That's why it doesn't require any planning. But at the same time, you have to be very careful. You should not cross that border. दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अदरवाइज हर जगह में आप देखते हैं ना, अभी रोड में कोई मिलता है मुझसे तो मुझे ऐसे ही पूछता है, मैडम कॉफ़ी हो गया क्या, क्योंकि ही वॉन्ट्स टू स्टार्ट अ कॉन्वर्सेशन. ऐसे नहीं, हाँ हो गया, नहीं हुआ. वी ऑल नो दिस इज, इट हैज़ नो मीनिंग. बट देन हाउ डू यू स्टार्ट? यू सिंग गुड मॉर्निंग. That's how you greet. But this is very important, and we have to pay a lot of given the importance. Even in your workplace, your boss should give you that free time in between, 10 minutes break, 5-minute break, because that's very essential. So friends, just like your serious conversation, serious presentation, if that has to have a meaning and significance, allow yourself to relax in these small casual conversations, which builds up your personality, which integrates your personality, which makes you very happy. So thank you, friends, for listening to me. So when you go and when you observe yourself, you will see how often we are so casual, how often we talk when you meet. Why do we have a picnic, or we go for a movie, or you just go on to a resort and want to just hang around? That time you just talk. It's not a serious conversation. That is important, but life is not always taken so seriously. Sometimes you have to laugh, smile, and enjoy life, have fun, and that you can get through your casual conversations. So friends, think about it. Think where all you have used it, and see how are you the kind who doesn't believe in it? I don't think so. So it helps you to integrate yourself, it helps you to grow well, it relaxes you. That is more important. And then what is important is you are happy in this casual conversation, and we don't think much about it. So if you have anything like that, think and let me know. So we'll meet next time with another topic. Bye till then. Take care.